Well, welcome to the Cookman. I know you might be wondering of how certain foods are cooked. That is why I am taking you all the way to Africa.
You got some peppers that we're going to use to make it a bit spicy because we're using smaller onions.
So,
Stirring as we're doing this.
okay. Your ginger.
Okay. We're basically trying to boil out all the water.
All the way.
And then we're going to stir it in.
Okay.
And we're going to stir it out a bit.
Okay.
So we're going to add 1 cup of water now. Ideally, we would just have this 1 cup of water. Okay. And as we go through, we'll add a little bit of water,
in the process.
So it's going to be it's going to evaporate as we're cooking the rice. Okay. We're going to be covering it up with some aluminum foil to sort of insulate it so that evaporation goes pretty quickly.
Alright, okay.
And we'll leave it on there for about 30 minutes.
Alright, okay.
So for this part here that we're going through with the rice cooking under the aluminum foil, we're going to set the stove to low heat. We don't really want it boiling at this part, so we're just going to leave it at low heat. Okay,
and so how many minutes are you leaving it on?
We're going to leave it for the full 30-ish minutes.
Okay.
25, 30-ish minutes.
Alright, okay.
And we'll be checking in between, we'll be stirring the rice just to make sure it doesn't burn underneath, and checking in between to check the texture, the consistency of the rice.
Alright, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. And so now he has his aluminum folded
aluminum foil.
Alright. And so on it, and this is going to leave on the stove for about 30 minutes for you to cook. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to check if the food or the rice is almost ready. Let's see how it is.
So we're just going to remove this and check.
What?
Wow. It looks like we're almost there.
Can you guys see it? It looks so great. And it has cooked very well too.
Yep.
Okay.
So now we're just going to stir it, check for the consistency, and to make sure that it's not burnt.
It's not burnt, and then
our food is complete, and here's our end product. So you see we have our jollof here, beautifully placed. We have our eggs, and we also have a little salad that we added to the side, you know. For those of us that like salad.
This food, egg, right?
Yep.
And then what other thing can you choose to?
So it really depends on you. Normally I'd be eating this with, chicken like everybody else likes, but for the purposes here, we'll just be eating with egg.
Oh, with egg. Okay.
So I brought this extra fork here. You want to try some?
Of course. Let me have a taste. The food tastes so delicious and it's so flavorful. I wish everybody is here to try this food. And I can't imagine you made this food yourself, You look so... Let me try one more time. I have one more taste before I talk. So, this is a Ghanaian food. Ghanaian Jollof, not any other Jollof, Ghanaian Jollof, right? Because we have so many different Jollofs. Some are coming from Senegal, some are coming from Nigeria. This is a Ghanaian Jollof made by the Ghanaian.
Thank you so much. Is the best Jollof.
It's the best Jollof. Don't like the Nigerians with cheap place.